Most people think money problems are about income, that if they just earn more, everything would be fine. But in real life, many people earn good money and still feel stuck. Bills keep coming. Savings never seem to grow. And somehow, the money just disappears. Today, I want to show you how money actually flows in real life. Not theory, not motivation, just the basics explained clearly. Money touches almost every part of life. Where you live, what you eat, how stressed you feel, how much freedom you have. Yet most people were never taught how money actually moves once it enters their hands. They were taught how to work, but not how money behaves after the paycheck arrives. Understanding this is the foundation of financial stability. For most people, money enters life through one main door: income, a salary, a business, a side hustle, or occasional work. Money enters only occasionally, but it leaves constantly. Rent doesn't wait. Food doesn't pause. Bills don't negotiate. So money arrives in chunks, but leaves in small, steady streams. That imbalance is where most problems begin. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most money is spent automatically. Rent, subscriptions, transport, food, small daily purchases. You don't sit down and decide to spend most of it. It just happens. That's why many people say, "I don't know where my money went." It didn't vanish. It flowed quietly. Without awareness, money always follows habit. This is where most people go wrong. The usual order looks like this. Money comes in. Spending happens. Whatever is left becomes savings. The problem? There's usually nothing left. The correct order is simple, but uncomfortable at first. Money comes in. Some is protected. Then spending happens. Money doesn't grow by accident. It grows by order. Many people believe, when I earn more, I'll fix my money. But without control, higher income only increases the flow, not the result. Bigger rent, better phone, more subscriptions. The system stays broken. The numbers just get bigger. That's why some high earners still live paycheck to paycheck. Financially stable people don't necessarily earn more. They understand their inflow. They control their outflow. They protect part of their money. They keep the system simple. They don't fight money. They guide it. Once the flow is controlled, progress becomes predictable. Money isn't mysterious. It flows in. It flows out. And whoever controls the direction, controls the outcome. In the next videos, we'll break this down step by step. This channel is about clarity, not hype.